Hello guys, good morning. Ito ang ating morning routine. So, naisipan ko lang siyang i-video. Ayan, birch tree milk with bread. Ayan, ginagawa nyo rin ba yung ganito? Every morning. Yung pandesal nilagay sa mainit na. Ayan, syempre, milk with hot water. That's it guys. Ito ang aking agahan. Ginagawa nyo rin ba to? Sarap. Tinapay. Yan, para malambot siya. Follow please. Thank you for watching.